In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you 6 practical things I did to explode my views as a small YouTube channel owner within a short period of time. And everything I did was through copying, and you also can copy and get the same results if you stay until the end of this video. Gather here, small YouTubers, and let me show you what to do. Hi, my name is Mary Adele, and you're welcome to my channel here where we talk about how to make money online and also a whole lot on sales, marketing, and advertising. If you're yet to subscribe, can you do me a favor? Hit on the subscribe button so that you can join our growing family. And without further ado, let us get straight into the cocoa of the matter, like we would say in Nigeria. Now, what I actually did was more like an experiment because I was looking for ways to increase my views. At some point, my channel was really stagnant with low views and it was really frustrating. I would do research on videos in my niche and I would create those videos. They will come out and there will be no views, and it was so frustrating. At some point, I was already giving up on YouTube, as I know that you're also considering right now, probably, right? So what I did was I did a lot of research. I watched a lot of videos of big YouTubers who are successful right now on how to increase your views, how to get video ideas that actually work to increase your views. Of course, everybody knows how important views are to the life of your channel. So if you're here for the money like me, of course, and also for the impact, of course, you know how important, increasing your views are. It counts towards your 4,000 watch time hours of monetization, and also how much visibility you actually get in the long run, and also your subscriber count. So all of these things, the need to actually grow was what led me into this experiment, and I can tell you that it is working. Now, the first thing I did was to note down big creators in my niche. Like, I searched on YouTube and wrote their names out. So you need to also know what niche you're operating on and the big players in that niche to actually get started with this method. Now, the second thing I did was to go to their channel and search for their top performing videos, both from way back and also recently. That I went to their channel and then I click on oldest to check for their older videos that have actually done well, and I noted this down. Now, I actually did this one after the other each time that I was trying to research for a video to create for my channel. So say for instance that I'm looking to create a video next week, I would start to do a research on a particular creator's YouTube channel, and then I'll take note of their top performing videos, both from way back and also recently. Then the third thing I did was to go to the comment section of those videos to look at questions that people were asking. What are their pain points? What are they confused about? What are those recurring questions? I also noted those down because that is going to help me to understand the content even better. And of course, I watch the content as well, because it is from watching the content that I can get to understand what the content is all about, and then which would lead me to the fourth thing, which is to now also make a research on that subject matter as well. All right. Now, say for instance, if I found a video that is doing well on the topic of affiliate marketing, for instance, I would go to that video and watch it extensively, and also go to the comment section and also check out in the comments what people are actually saying. What are they confused about? And then take note of that. And then I would go back and do my research online on other YouTube channels about what people are saying, and also to note and also to learn about the popularity of that content or that subject matter in recent time. So are people talking about it? Is this something that people would be interested in? I'll also note those down as well. Then this leads me to the fifth thing, which is now to come up with my own idea for that content based on the standpoint of the pains or the confusion that people have had through the comment section, because that is now going to help me understand the perspective that people want to understand that topic from. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a like, make a comment if this is making sense, and I'll be in the comment section to engage with you. Now, the sixth thing I'll now do after the research is to develop and write my script, and then of course I'll now go on to shoot the video. Now the results have been massive, and I won't even lie. There are a couple of my videos that I've done like that actually got a lot of views. If you check my channel right now, you're going to be seeing a video where I was talking about how to make money online chatting with lonely people, as well as a video on how to make money on WhatsApp, and a whole lot of them, right? And these videos started to do well and get a lot of views within a short period of time compared to my other videos. Now what this tells you is that if this video is doing well on this creator's YouTube channel and is also doing well on other people's channel and even performing well on smaller YouTube channel owners' channels, it means that it is a topic that people are looking to get answers to, or a topic or a subject matter that people are interested in. And if the video was old and you search for it and see that people are still doing videos around that topic even in recent time, then it is something that you should take note of. And of course, go to the comment section and see what people are saying, because it's now going to guide you to understand what people are really interested in around this topic. All right, so this is one of the ways to actually get videos that will do well in your niche as a small and upcoming YouTube channel owner that is eager to get to monetization, of course. So if you've gotten value from this tutorial, which I believe that you have, please click on the like button, share this video to other YouTubers who are also going to benefit, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. But I really don't do content like this, how to teaching YouTubers how to grow. My content is more around how to make money online and also sales, marketing, and advertising and all that. But just once in a while, when I get an idea that I know that would help other YouTubers, I come up here to share it as well. So if you're interested in also joining my WhatsApp community, the link is in the description of this video. I mean, come to me on WhatsApp and let's engage. Let's have conversations on how to move forward in this our YouTube journey. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.